Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with a clean canvas. Wash your face with the provided gentle cleanser for about 60 to 90 seconds to remove oil and makeup, then pat dry. Once done, open the Plum Kit and confirm you have the cleanser, serum, moisturizer, and SPF. That prevents missteps. If you have sensitive skin, do a quick patch test of the serum on your inner wrist and wait 24 hours. This ensures safety before applying to your face. You now layer the active serum, dispense 2 to 3 drops onto your fingertips and warm it briefly between your palms so it spreads evenly. Then, using gentle upward strokes, press the serum into your face and neck. This improves absorption and prevents pulling. Make sure to avoid the immediate eye area. Sensitive skin there needs different products. Once absorbed, apply any targeted solutions to blemishes or dark spots, as finish by applying a pea-sized amount of the Plum moisturizer. Massage it in using upward motions until fully absorbed to lock in hydration. If it's morning, follow with a broad-spectrum SPF and remember to reapply every 2 to 3 hours when exposed to sun. Sunscreen protects results. If you experience redness, burning, or peeling, stop using the offending product immediately, rinse with cool water, and consult the kit instructions or a dermatologist. This troubleshooting keeps your skin safe and on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.